So I used to throw them away, thinking that it was actually trash. Little did I know that they can be actually turned into treasure, and they have very very amazing benefits that you can use them maybe at home. So many as we are going to see them. Yes, like I can assure you that right now I even collect for from my neighbors. Yes, because now I know what they can really do. I know that they are really really a hidden treasure. So watch the video and don't forget, like, the 7 one is fire. Yes, but all the benefits I'm going to give you, the 7 one is fire, so don't miss it. So the first benefit you can get out of the eggshells, because they work as a fertilizer. So what you do, you crush them, take them to your garden, and they are going to add calcium and other minerals to the soil, which is very big beneficial for plant growth. Like, they can be mixed into the soil or soaked in water to create a liquid fertilizer. So that liquid fertilizer, you take it to your garden, to your plants, so it can work very well. Yeah. So, and the second idea you can get out of eggshells, like crushed eggshells. If you take them to your garden and you scatter them in your plants, like around your plants, they can deter pests, like slugs, snails, beetles, which they like the sharp texture. So it can help you again in that way. Yeah, and the third is for seedling starters. What you do, you get like these eggshells like this. Then you fill them with soil. Yes. So after filling it with the soil, like this, you fill it with soil. Then you are going to put your seeds, inside it. You're going to put in the seeds in the soil you have put here. Then you bury them with the seeds. You can sprinkle some water on top, then you bury them. So after burying them, the seeds are going to come out very quickly and very very healthy. So before you transport them to the main garden, so they work very very well because of calcium and minerals in eggshells. Yes. And number 4 benefit is, they can work very very well as a cleaning agent. If you have like stubborn green on your pots and pans, just grind these eggshells. After grinding them, add them into your dish soap, then scrub easily. Everything is going to get off and your pans and pots are going to be clean again. Then number 5, they work as a drain cleaner. So adding these crushed eggshells to your kitchen drain can help break up clogged whatever your sink. It can help to unclog it very well. So try it today. Come back and testify. And number 6 benefit is it works as a coffee additive. Like adding amount of crushed eggshells to your coffee grounds can help neutralize acidity and reduce bitterness. So you can try it today. And remember, it has calcium, it has minerals, so it can be something very healthy even to your body. So try that one today also, and tell us like your experience. And the last one, which is number 7, is these eggshells can work as a calcium supplement. Yeah, properly processed and sterilized eggshells can be a source of calcium for human consumption. Though it is best to consult a professional for the use as a dietary supplement. They can be used as a calcium supplement in foods like orange juice, like lemon juice or pineapple juice, or even beetroot juice, so wherever. So you can try it, but of course it's really advisable to first consult your dietary to consult your professional doctor. Yes. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.